Jackson Safety MAXVIEW Face Shield, Ratcheting, Clear Tint, Anti-Fog, Black, 14201. Remove protective film from face shields before use. Size, ratcheting headgear style, anti-fog. Design, premium face shield with a clear tinted, oversized window for unobstructed and panoramic views, enabling clear viewing in the most demanding conditions. Features: the face shield has integrated side and chin guards to protect against splashes and flying debris. Fit: the oversized, fine-tooth, ratcheting headgear knob makes it easy to grab and adjust, even while wearing gloves. Compliant. Our clear tint face shields meet or exceed ANSI Z87.1 and CSA Z94.3 standards. High coverage. The shield features an extended crown to protect against hazards and ensure optimal safety coverage.